Okay, I'm not sure why you're not going to get my face. Sorry. But we are doing the awesome coordinate plane. We are going to do some target practice. So we want to get in the bullseye here. And in order to that, we have to go along our x-axis and our y-axis. So my x-axis would be at around the 2. So I'm going to type 2 in. But my y is all the way up at the 6. So I need to change that to 6. And then I can hit next because I've hit the target. This one, it gives me no answers. So I'm going to go along my x first. And I'll say 3.5 to be exact. And then this one will be the y axis, the up and down is at about 2. Okay, target practice number 3, take a pause and try it yourself. I'm going to give my guess. I am going to 5.5. And my y is negative because it's traveling down, and I think it's at -4. Incorrect, it's in the bullseye. Next one, my point is at 2, but that's not cool. So I need to change this and type it the right way. So it looks to me as if my x is -3. So parentheses, whoa, that's weird. Parentheses -3, comma. So my x is -3, my y is -2. And submit. Looks like that's correct. Hit next. All right, now I need to make my own. I need to drag the black point so that the center's target is at 5, 4. So if this is 0, 0, I'm going to drag this all the way down there. And it's going to be at -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's -5 and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Explain how I knew where to place the target. I started at the origin, which is 0, 0, and then moved backward 5 and up 4 to get to the correct point. And you can share with the class, then everybody can see it. Do you have to do that? No. I'm going to, so if other students show up responses, you'll see it there. Enter an ordered pair below so that the point hits the bullseye. So I have to use my parentheses. Whoops, that's the shift and the 9. So it's going to be between the 9 and the -1. So 0, 1, 2, 3. That's about halfway. So maybe 3, comma, and I'm looking at my 8 are my y terms. So the up and down has to be between the 8, -8. And again, it looks like it went up maybe 5. So let's try -3 and close the parentheses. And I'm going to submit and see what happens. I was close. I wasn't exactly perfect. Can I change it? Yes. So I'll edit my response. I think it needs to go along my x-axis a little bit. So I'm going to change this to 4. That's much better. I'm going to hit next. Enter ordered pair so that it's on the bullseye. This is, again, going to be some guessing. So I need to move this way. So my x term is going to get closer to 0. So let's try -4 because I'm going to move it this way. And I don't have any idea how big it is. And it needs to move down along the y. So let's try 0 and see where that is. That's way too much. So I know my y needs to come up. So let's try 5. I'm close. So I need to go over along my x-axis a little bit. And I'm going to the right, which means that I need to make it bigger. There you go. So I'm going to hit Next. Now, select points from the lids to add to the graph. Aim for a high score. So let's see. If I do -1,5, I'm in the 100. So I got good. -2,3. That's -100. I don't want that one. -3,3. Oh, yeah. I want that one. -7, 2. That's still in the green. -2 and 0. Okay, so that's in the white, which is negative. Nope, don't want that one. -1, 1. Ooh, that might be in there. So let's hit.
Good afternoon, River Valley.
Okay, I'm going to hit next. My score is 750. Is that the score? Yes, it is, because I checked as I went along. So I made sure to mentally plot my points as I clicked on the answers. Hit submit. Everything is turned in, and you are